Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Klaviyo flows for abandoned cart recovery, full guide step by step clearly. To restore Klaviyo flows for abandoned cart recovery, start by logging into your Klaviyo account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Flows section in the left sidebar. In the Flows dashboard, locate the abandoned cart flow. If the flow is archived, you can find it under Archived Flows. Click on the drop-down menu to view archived flows. Select the abandoned cart flow to access its settings. To restore the flow, click on the Restore button. Confirm the restoration when prompted. After restoring, check the flow triggers and ensure they are correctly set. To do this, click on the trigger and review the conditions. Make any necessary adjustments to the trigger settings. Next, review the email steps within the flow. Ensure that each email is properly configured with relevant content. You may want to personalize the emails for better engagement. Check the timing between each email step to ensure optimal delivery. Once you're satisfied with the flow, make sure to set it to live. After activating the flow, test the entire process to ensure fun. You can initiate a test by adding a product to your cart without completing the purchase. Monitor the flow to see if the email is triggered as expected. If everything works seamlessly, your abandoned cart flow is now fully restored. Regularly review and update the flow as needed to maintain its effectiveness. And that's the complete guide to restoring Klaviyo flows for abandoned cart recovery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.